Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I am in full spring cleaning mode around my house and property, and so today I'm sharing with you part one of spring cleaning. We're going to be focusing in on the kitchen, the living room, the front porch, and a little bit of the front garden. This aligns with my seasonal transition cleaning routine versus my daily or weekly routine, which I will be sharing here on my channel very soon. Let's go ahead and jump right into my seasonal spring cleaning, nooks and crannies, focusing on areas that don't always get attention during the weekly cleaning routine. I'm starting by burning this 100% natural toxic-free incense that smells like coconut and mango. It's amazing. And then I'm going to pull back any of the rugs and carpets and start focusing from the outside in. I'm going to get down on my hands and knees and look at those baseboards. I'm going to clean all of the drawers, the inside of the drawers, basically deep clean the kitchen, which, like I said, I tried to do this every season. So spring, summer, fall, winter at some point. And if I start to notice an area is getting dirty, I try to get to it. I'm actually very thankful that we downsized on cleaning days because really I enjoy cleaning my house, but sometimes I get overwhelmed and it certainly doesn't stay perfectly clean all the time. I just try to keep my routines so that we can keep it as clean as possible, considering the kids, the dogs, the cat, and just all the movement that we have in our home. So when I can touch on these areas that don't get touched on regularly, I feel so much better just knowing that the nooks and crannies are clean. I use an all-purpose cleanser. I'll either make one or I'll use one from the store. I just reused this bottle from the fall when I got the fall scent, and I just made my own cleaner in the bottle. I have a few all-natural cleaning recipes on my channel, but if you'd like to see an updated cleaning recipe video, I'll be happy to do that in my next spring or summer cleaning video coming up. I'm going to move out the trash can. This area really grosses me out because sometimes things miss when being thrown into the trash, like coffee grounds or whatever it may be. So vacuuming and deep cleaning around the trash can is something I do more consistently than my seasonal cleaning. I try to do this as often as possible to just keep that area nice and clean. It gives me the heebie-jeebies and grosses me out when the trash can or around the trash can is not clean. And sometimes I will even use a little bit of Clorox on a rag just to disinfect the trash can. Next, one by one, I'm going to go through each drawer and each cabinet, pull everything out, get rid of anything if need be, but also reorganize. Just over time, there's spillage, there's crumbs. I would like to do this more often, but it just gets past me and I try to do it seasonally. I try to make sense of the drawers and the cabinets and just reorganize so they make sense. A lot of times things will just kind of get out of whack. Somebody's doing the dishes, puts it in the wrong spot. So again, just making sense of the kitchen. And this is such a good feeling because the day after I was done doing this, I just opened drawers and everything was really, really clean and organized. I knew where everything was. And it just feels really good to hit those areas that don't get as much attention. right, next I'm going to move into our living room and I'm going to clean the couch cushions, or the couch cushion covers rather. I already did the couch cushion covers earlier this week, but I'm now going to do the pillow covers. This is not my favorite job, but since our pets do sometimes end up on the couch, it is definitely needed. What I do try to do is keep a blanket on the couch and wash that, once or twice a week, just so that our couch doesn't get as dirty. But yeah, I do have to clean the couch cushion covers because of the puppies and the kitty. So I'm going to do that today. A few days earlier, I did clean the couch cushion covers. I lifted the cushions and vacuumed around the couch just to, get the nooks and crannies in the couch, move the couch clean underneath, and look who's already on the couch. He has a tough life, mate. He really loves that couch, and it's hard to keep him off of it. I'm also going to clean the curtains, which I pretty much only clean seasonally just because I mostly just clean them for the cat dander and the dog hair and everything, just to kind of keep that to a minimum. And then I'm going to deep clean the windows. I usually take a vacuum to get any of the dust, any of the dead bugs that end up in the window, and deep clean the nooks and crannies of the window. This is another area that it gives me so much joy to deep clean, because I hate when the windows are all gross and dusty, and it gives me so much satisfaction to know that they are very, very clean. After cleaning the windows inside, I'm going to go outside onto the front porch and I'm going to clean the day bed, which is mostly for the animals, but I keep it clean just in case anybody wants to come out and take a nap. Usually in the spring or summer, that's the case. So I always clean the day bed, and I love that on the front porch along with all of the rocking chairs. And I'm just going to deep clean the windows. It's oddly satisfying to make sure that there is no dust on the inside or the outside of the windows. And a lot of times I will take the hose or the power washer and clean the front of the house as well, just so that it's nice and white and clean and there's no dust. We do have a bird feeder, so sometimes there's bird poop on the front porch, or there's dust from the kids coming home from fishing, and they have muddy shoes. So I will wash off the shoes, let those dry on the front porch, and then bring them into the closets where they belong, and then I'll just take a hose quickly to the front porch just so that it's nice and clean. I hate to admit it, but I have neglected the front garden. It just has a lot of weeds, although I am excited to say that the peony tubers that I planted last year are popping up. Here they are, beautiful. So excited about the peonies, but I don't want them to get choked out by the weeds. So what I'm doing here is I'm just going to come in for a few days and I'm going to de-weed as much as I possibly can, because we don't like to use anything. So it really is just a matter of coming in and doing that hard work out in the garden and picking them manually. And then we're going to use a tarp, and we're going to tarp and put some more soil down so that can keep the weeds from choking out the things that we want to be growing, like the roses, hydrangeas, the peonies, and I also have some hollyhocks coming up that will be beautiful. Those are going to come up nice and tall and come almost all the way to the top of the porch, so it's going to be absolutely beautiful. But this is the part that needs to be done. There is quite a lot of weeding that needs to be done, and I'm very, very behind on this. So that's unfortunate, but I'm just going to do a little bit every day until it's ready to tarp. And that is everything that I was able to get done today while the kids were at school. And I will share more spring and summer cleaning videos very soon. If you like these types of videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to put together a little arrangement now that my house is feeling nice and clean and it smells good. There's nothing I love more than a fresh arrangement to just kind of finish a beautiful day of cleaning. And I love that feeling more than anything. So happy spring cleaning. I hope this inspired you to clean your home, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Bye.